So when you have a newborn, there are few areas in baby that you need to be very careful and conscious. You need to check them time to time. These areas, they trap moisture and babies, they get rashes. So it can cause a really big problem. Once they get rashes, it doesn't heal properly and easily. I'm gonna show you what are the specific areas you need to be very careful. So we all are aware about the diaper rash and diaper areas between the groins, all the folds you can see easily. The first area you need to be very careful is just behind the ears. She had ear fold rashes as well. In 4th month almost, she could recover from the ear fold rashes. Another one is this neck lines. As you can see, baby's neck is not really exposed to the air. So there are 2 neck lines which are always folded, and you need to like gently pull the skin and check in between if there is any dirt or anything. You need to wipe it, clean it and dry it really well. Baby's underarms, yes, you need to be very careful. You need to make sure the baby's underarms, they stay dry. For newborn babies, in between the fingers, dirt traps in between the fingers, you need to run down this earbud, that is the best way to do. In between the toes and feet fingers, all of them. So there also moisture traps, dirt traps. So you need to be very, very careful when you do this. A lot of people, they plan not to give bath to newborn babies, which I also did. And if you're not giving bath, we need to keep checking these areas. When we undress them, we can just wipe gently with the cotton balls and dry them with the towel and any soft muslin cloth. When she got her ear fold rashes, I was trying everything like pseudo cream, but every possible thing. It started getting better when she finally started sleeping on her bed. Every time I give her bath, you guys know very well, I'm using this hair dryer. She got long hairs, obviously hair cannot stay wet for that long and she needs to sleep, so I need to dry her hair. Also, I use the cold air, very soft version of the hair dryer. Always have very keen observation.